Hi, welcome back to Mathematics City. I'm Vikram, and as you can see, my screen is blank. The last time my screen was blank was the first video in the series, where I talked about what variables were. And if you notice, the only thing I wrote on the screen was x. So be prepared for not a lot of writing today. Maybe none at all, which I do not know why I have the sketch.io website open then. If I do write anything, it's not going to be much. Today I just want to make a quick little video talking about how to deal with negative coefficients in an inequality. A coefficient is just a fancy word for the number that's being multiplied to the variable. So a negative coefficient would be a negative number that's being multiplied to the variable. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So I have an inequality. It's negative 3x is greater than 9. So what most people do, and they're doing it wrong, is they see this, they don't notice the negative coefficient, or if they do notice the negative coefficient, they think that it doesn't really change how I would go about solving this. So what they do is they solve it like a traditional one-step inequality. Divide both sides by negative 3, we have x is greater than negative 3. But that's wrong. Since I have a negative coefficient, the inequality sign, to still have that true statement, that true inequality, I have to switch the sign. So it wouldn't be x is greater than negative 3 as my final answer. It would be x is less than negative 3 for my final answer. So let's recap what we learned today. When we're dealing with negative coefficients I got carried away there. Talk too much, talk too fast. When we're dealing with a negative coefficient in an inequality, we have to change the sign, the inequality sign in our final answer to still maintain that true statement, that true inequality. To wrap this up, just want to remind you to check back on this YouTube channel for the next videos in our algebra series. Algebra is going to get really interesting starting from now. Right now it may seem a little bit but you're going to be solving two variable equations. You're going to be doing coordinate plane, slope functions, quadratic equations, and then you're going to be heading on to geometry, trigonometry, pre-calculus, then differential calculus, integral calculus. It's going to be awesome. Make sure to check our website. I'll leave a link in the description, but if you must know, it's www.mathematicscity.weebly.com. And keep calm and love math. I will see you later.